Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable brand email notifications on Webull account. So first we're going to go to the Webull app. Once you're here, you're going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner. Then next we're going to click on settings. Then you're going to click on general. So once you're here, you're going to click on promotion notifications. As you can see, brand email is turned off. You're going to turn it on. So anything related to brands will be sent to your account as notifications. So make sure you turn it on. As I told you, guys can find this app in the App Store, Play Store, such a helpful trading and cryptocurrency app. So make sure you download it. Make sure you also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.